Hello YouTuber. Yeah, today we're gonna show you a little trick for the V-block. We got a little V-block over here, but the clamp is missing. So if you spend time to make one, that would be still a little bit of work. So we found another clamp from the other block, but obviously it's too wide, not gonna fit. So how can we do? Make a little valve. This is the identical one. I already get it done, so you can see these 2 points here. Make a little valve on over here, and then grind them down to the size, so it would fit right on. Okay, that's a little trick. Simple. Thanks for watching.